Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abdul Ghani at Mediversity Health. I just wanted to share with you guys exciting news that we are going to be having our first annual conference in wellness and aesthetics and hair on June 26th at 2025 on a Saturday between 8 o'clock to 7 o'clock at Marriott in Glassboro. I'm going to be having a lot of exciting things over there with the vendors, with the new trends in aesthetics and hair restoration. And we are looking for people who are interested in learning a little bit more about these trends. And we will be having a full day of a conference with lectures and different topics that we will be talking about. We are looking forward to seeing everybody come over to this conference. This is first of its kind in South Jersey. We hope to see you there, and we want to make sure everybody that is aware of this comes to our conference. Hope to see you soon.